আচ্ছা ছোট মনিরা, please look at the boat. Here is a fish. Is it? What is? Fish. It's a fish. And here the fish has some parts. We have some parts: hands, head, ear, eye, nose, mouth. Okay? But the fish has also some parts. The fish has also some parts. So fish has mouth. Here is mouth, and here is head. Here is eye, and here is fin. Fin means pakna. Fin. And this is scales. Scale মানে আঁশ। আঁশ, মাছের আঁশ আছে না, সেই মাছের আঁশকে বলে scales. In its English is scales. Scales. That এই যে এটাকে বলা হয় ফুলকা, মাছের ফুলকা. Its English name is gills. Gills. And this is tail. Okay? So fish has many parts. So please repeat after me. Head, eye, fin, tail, scales, gills, mouth. Okay?